Berlin, AP. The leaders of Germany's Green Party are signaling that they may drop demands for a 2030 deadline to phase out combustion engines and shut coal-fired power stations as Chancellor Angela Merkel's government-building efforts intensify. Merkel's Conservatives, the pro-business Free Democrats and the Greens want to determine by mid-November whether there's enough common ground for full negotiations on a coalition never tried in national government. They struggle to bridge differences during initial talks. Greens co-leader Cem Ozdemir signaled in an interview with the daily Stuttgarter Zeitung published Tuesday that his party will soften its demand, much criticized by its prospective partners, to stop registering new cars with gas or diesel engines in 2030. It is clear to me that we alone will not be able to push through the cutoff date of 2030 for the registration of fossil fuel combustion engines, he was quoted as saying, though we must of course clear the way for emissions-free mobility with binding measures. Latest business videos. Loading. Now playing. Fox Business Beat, Tuesday, November 7. FOX5DC. Man charged after coat hanger used as spy camera in FOX5DC. When is an attack terrorism? When is it a hate? Viewer. When is an attack terrorism? When is it a hate? BUZZ60. Fox Business Beat, Monday, November 6. FOX5DC. Drone loses control injuring 6 in Japan. Euronews News. Report. Why are millennial men behind most mass shootings? Viewer. Report. Why are millennial men behind most mass shootings? BUZZ60. Target is giving its employees a little break this black. BUZZ60. Target is giving its employees a little break this black. Viewer. The party also has called for coal-fired electricity plants, currently a significant source of energy for Europe's biggest economy, to be shut by 2030. But Chairwoman Simone Peter told the Rheinische Post Daily it is pragmatic on whether the last coal-fired power station goes offline in 2030 or 2032.